Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you how I'm planning to make 100k a month by using Skool communities, especially paid Skool communities. This will be a raw video, just me spitting some of my thoughts, spitting of some value. Maybe you can use it, maybe you cannot use it. I don't mind, but this is my plan of making 100k a month by Skool communities. I want to leverage communities into big communities and even selling high ticket stuff to them. I will show you how I'm planning to do it in my laptop because I have it all mapped out, and I will show you what's in the laptop and how I'm gonna make 100k a month. So let's take a deep dive into my laptop and show you my game plan. Okay, we are in my laptop, and as you can see, my plan to generate 100k a month with Skool. This is how I'm gonna do it. It looks a little bit like visual, and I will show you in a minute how it works. It's not that big, it's a pretty easy funnel. I use the app called Miro to just make a brain dump of my ideas and make it visual to you guys. So please let me know if you like this kind of content, so I will make more of it. So first of all, I need to teach you guys the 3 basic principles that I will use to hit this goal. We have 3 principles and 3 systems that we use to make and generate 100k a month with Skool communities. First one is get eyeballs. Get eyeballs on the value that you have to offer. Secondly, generate leads for the value that you have to offer. And the third one, convert these leads into sales. So mostly we'll be going from free stuff to paid stuff. Okay, and how do we gonna do this? Well, before you ask how, we need to ask why. Why do I believe that Skool communities are the future? Well, first of all, the trend that we are seeing right now is that AI is popping off. Automation agencies, I'm seeing them being created like every day. This means like people will get disconnected from each other much more and more. Like AI will replace much jobs in the future, I think. But that means that people still need the connection with each other. We are still human, we want to connect with other people. And how do we do it? By creating communities. On the left you see Alex Hormozi. He invested in Skool. Everybody knows Alex Hormozi. This guy is like very famous, and he went viral like in the last 3-4 years. He went very viral, and everybody knows him. And on the right we have a much more introvert guy, Sam Ovens. This guy had consulting.com. He did like 30 million in revenue per year just by selling info online, but he had like so many problems with using multiple products, using multiple softwares to even sell his programs, and he wanted to skip that. That's why he created Skool. Skool is an all-in-one platform where we host all the communities and all the payments, even the leaderboards, everything. It will be gamified as well. So this tool, this software is in beta especially, and it will be even being bigger in the coming years. So I love the tool already. I will show you what I'm doing right now. But after I explain to you guys why I'm believing in this stuff, I will show you how we're gonna make money. Well, how do you make money in the first place? Well, what I'm thinking about is selling information. I think this one will be the biggest and easiest way to generate money online. You will have some information, some value about a specific problem, and you want to provide that to a market. So the market has a certain problem. So let's say we have agency owners, and they have all the problem getting new clients. Well, you have the market solution for them. You know how to provide value and how to solve this big problem. But how do you do it? By giving them a good product, a good delivery. This means that you have good service, a good delivery that makes people happy. So if you do the math, it will make some big money. And this is repeatable and scalable. But where do you place all the info? Well, on Skool. I think you can do this on Skool very much. If you have all the valuable stuff for agency owners, you create a Skool for agency owners how to get more clients. Very easy, right? So how do we start? Well, first of all, we need to understand the framework of success. I learned this one from the Bradway and Champ. They did, I believe 2 weeks ago, a podcast, and the Bradway I'll call him, but his name is Brad. Brad told this principle, and it really stuck with me, and I want to explain it to you guys. So we have the do, learn and teach principle. So as you can see, we start always with doing. Of course, we start with doing. So let's say, let's take my agency for an example. I run a customer support agency and a Google Ads agency, but let's stick with the customer support agency. Before I even started the agency, I was doing the customer support myself. I was handling all the tickets, all the disputes on Klarna, all the disputes on PayPal. I was doing it all myself. But then I was like, okay, how can I get better? Well, then we go to the second phase, that's learning. I needed to update my whole system and keep up to date with all the information around doing your own customer support. So I started learning a lot. And then I noticed people told me, hey man, you have very good stores and your backend looks good. How do you handle your customer support? And I was like, okay, people ask me how to handle the customer support. I can teach them. So I started teaching them how I handled the customer support myself. So people got the value instantly for free. And then I was like, okay, maybe I can make here a product around. I did not make a product around it, I made an agency around it. That's the second way to do it. You can scale it, but then you need new clients and you don't have every time recurring revenue and you need to hire a lot of people. Now I could create an online program about teaching how to create your own customer support team and scale it. And I would put it in an online course, in an online mentorship, and I would put it on Skool and update the course every week or every month. I don't mind, I don't care, but to keep it updated so people stick in the community, and it's a low paid offer. I think I could charge something for like $69 a month by just solving this problem to the e-com guys. Well, as you know, the e-com space is very big. It's a huge market, so a lot of new people will come in, and the old people that have all the value, they will maybe leave. That's what you always see with information products like this. But I believe this system is very easy to maintain and it's very easy scalable. But how do we start? Well, first of all, we need the traffic sources. As I told you, we need the eyeballs. So here I have my own traffic sources, and as you can see, I have 3. Well, actually I have right now 1, but I'm scaling to 3. So we have short form content, this means Instagram and this means TikTok. Well, I did have like my own TikTok. You can see it's still in Dutch. I had like a nice personal brand in the Netherlands. I stopped it. I want to switch it to English and start from scratch. As you can see, my Instagram as well. I will all rebrand it to my English content and start from scratch. I think I will even create a new TikTok account because this one is like in the Netherlands and I will not get like very much traction with the international content. And then secondly, we have the YouTube. It just got created. I need to start totally over again with this one, and my goal for this one is to create 10k on subscribers, and I'm very excited about that one. And the third one I started already and I had some momentum instantly, and that was Twitter. Well, I'm focusing on the e-commerce space, so a lot of e-commerce entrepreneurs are on Twitter as well, just for the free value. And as you can see, at the moment that we are recording, I have 2100 followers. And I gained them pretty quickly by just giving away free value like this tweet. I made 51k in one day with a ROAS of 4.1. You can do this as well. Do you want, I believe I gave some video. Yeah, do you want to receive a video with my criteria? Follow me, like and retweet and comment DM. Now, as you can see, 31 people saw this tweet and almost 300 people commented on it, and I have them all in my DMs. So this is cool. This means that I can set up the auto DM with Tweet Hunter and they will get the video instantly. So this is how my traffic will go. It will go from the short form and the YouTube and my Twitter to an auto DM or a call to action, or here we use ManyChat, to all lead them to the landing page of the free Skool community. That's what we want to do. So if they land on the free Skool community, they can opt in for the free one. That's just the free stuff. The second one, what we can do is when we have masterclasses in mind, I will create a landing page for that, for a free masterclass on how to start and scale your dropshipping business. I will host once in a month a free masterclass that's also on the landing page. People can watch it. After they have an opt-in, they will get an invite instantly to the free community. And after they join the free community, they will get an upsell to the paid community. As you can see here, I've linked it in the link as well. Here you can see the Freedom Achievers invite. The Freedom Achievers community is my paid community, and the Freedom Foundation is the free community. So when I did fill the Freedom Foundation community, they get an upsell about the paid community. At the moment as recording, this one is $49 a month. And then you will see here is the Freedom Achievers community, and this one is paid. So here you see we're just starting out. We have 4 members right now. And what we can do is, if you do the money math, if we repeat it, if I want to create 100K in monthly recurring revenue, I need to have at least 1,000 members paying $99. This will be my biggest goal. 1,000 members paying $99. Maybe even the price will go higher when we provide more value. And then what we can do is we provide our agency service as well to the paid community. Our average order value is around $700 a month. So if even let's say 100 people add this one as well, well, we have at least 70,000 euros extra in monthly recurring revenue by just providing our agency services. Well, and if people get results, we will invite them to masterminds with guest speakers on sick locations. Last time I did it in Faro, Portugal. I had a very sick location. I charged almost 600 euros for a ticket. Almost 100 people joined, so that's even like 60K what you can earn with just selling online tickets with masterminds. So this will be my money machine by just leveraging a free community into a paid community, by just creating and focusing eyeballs on my content. So how does the course look like, what I want to create? Well, here I have an outlay of the course that I'm making, which contains 5 weeks or maybe 5 weeks, where we show how to make an online e-com store, an online brand or online dropshipping store, and scale it to, let's say, 100K a month. So this is just the outline of my course. Then what we do, if we have mastered this one in the first months, we will go after a few months into the paid ads. That's where my expertise is. I know how to media buy, I know how to handle direct response marketing. So what we still do, we have short form content, YouTube content, Twitter content, it all stays the same. It fills the free community, then it fills the paid community. And when the free and paid community, our results are coming in, we will collect testimonials. And these testimonials, we will create landing pages with and ads that contain these testimonials. So as I said, we will make paid ads, the landing page with a free training, and people can opt in, and when they opt in, they will get sent to the paid community instantly. They also get an invite to the free community as well, but they will get being upselled to the paid community. So we will keep recycling this every time. That's the funny stuff about paid media ads. You're not depending on an algorithm, you're just bumping up the budget and just spending more money. This is totally like my whole game plan of making at least 100K a month. I think it will be even scalable to much higher numbers, but let's say 100K a month is this year the game plan. If you guys are interested, I will share this link into the YouTube video. This is my robot, you can view it. If you click here, you can open the community. I would love to see you guys into the community. I will show you how it looks. Well, we have some pinned messages where you need to make some actions, and then we have the classroom. Here you can see we have the e-commerce masterclass where I teach you all the secrets about creating an online brand or an online dropshipping store, all for free, guys. This is all for free. And we will have the first module of the agency course where we share everything, how we started our our 7-figure agency last year. I had no agency in 2022. I started it in 2023 and we did 7 figures in the first year. And if you do engage with the community and get enough likes and do enough posts, you will unlock the free consultation call. It's at level 4. In the leaderboard, you can see what level you are. So this is how the free community is looking like. And this is the paid community. This one is very sick. We have an e-commerce masterclass, which is fully blown out. We have a 7-figure agency course, not only the first module, but the whole course will be in there. We have a Google Ads course, we have a creative ad secrets course, we have an email marketing mastery, we have a productivity hacking mastery, and we have a lot of bonuses. And the total value is right now 34,000. And you can see you can access it right now for $49. If I'm recording this and you click on the link and it's double the price, yep, that's what's happening. We will increase the price every X days. We won't tell you when we do it, but trust me, we will do it. How does it look like? Well, here you see all the courses. You can click and you can start on it right away. So this is how my community looks like, and this is my game plan for the 100K a month on the Skool community. I hope you guys like this type of raw content. I'm not familiar with this one, so please be safe with me, be kind to me. If you do like it, please let me know in the comments. I would love to connect with you guys. My social media is also in the description. This board will in the description as well. I will pin the communities as well. You can check it out. It's all for free there, so you can see it. And I see you in the next one. Peace.